Okay. Highly requested. People asking me to go into more details about this castor oil pack that years ago that was able to help me and my queen get ourselves our now today's 11-year-old son. And man, um, I'm gonna let these ladies break it down to you, but ain't nobody when my queen was trying to have a I told you they was telling all kinds of crazy things about her fallopian tubes, and I was so thankful for her because I was heavy into going to school heavily as a natural healer, and me and her were still at somewhat odds, and I felt like I was kind of cray cray in her mind that I was studying heavy with Hebrew Israelites. I was studying heavy Egyptologists. I was studying heavily with just the Moors. I was studying. I was trying to make sure I understand me, heavily conscious, and trying to make sure I know who I was, and studying the indigenous here. I was studying heavily about me, and along that line, I wanted to get heavily away from this craziness when it's dealing with the man and everything it stood for. And it's just crazy. It's that's back in the day. But I remember when I was studying this so much that I got heavily involved with Mother Nature. I didn't want to have nothing to do with no Skittles. Nothing to do with them compromising my body. I didn't want nothing. I wanted to make sure if I eat whatever I want, nothing's going to happen to me if I'm putting good stuff in, while maybe putting some bad things in. But I just will not, and I refuse to only put bad things in my body. So when I ran across my queen, and we was married, and we became stronger, and we was even get stronger and stronger, closer and closer, she was noticing that I was protecting her too. That's what a king would do. Okay, you'll protect your tribe, your family. You'll protect anything around you. A man ain't nothing but a reflection of his queen. And a queen was a reflection of her king. If she ain't happy, something you doing wrong. If he ain't happy, it's definitely something you doing wrong. If your children ain't happy, it's something you're doing wrong. Moving forward, quickly, fast, I have to give you that nugget before I play these videos. I thought this was one of the first things that I tried with her. And I had to see if she was going to listen. I said, we trying to have a baby. What's going on down there? We wouldn't focus heavily on a liver detox or, detox it period, because this is what this Castro pack will do. We was heavily focused on just trying to detox that area around the liver and also the ovaries, the fallopian tubes in that area for fertility purposes. Okay? So when they told us that her fallopian tubes were blocked, I'm like, what? And they had to put some dye down there to find out if it was true. When they did that, I made sure I had me some glucose iodine after she got up out of there, because they putting all kinds of stuff on to make sure when she going that radiation, they put the dye down there, they can illuminate and see if it's blocked or if it's not. Yeah, you blocked. Matter of fact, one is halfway blocked, the other one is blocked completely. But when we tried again to go back down and make an appointment, she said, okay, I'll be back down here in 30 days. She was sad though. She like, fallopian tubes is blocked halfway, more than halfway, and another one's completely blocked. What we gonna do? I researched and I researched. I reached out to one of my, because I'm talking about professional natural healers in school. Kareem been in school for a minute. That's why I went ahead and decided to get the doctorate degree out the way, because talk about natural healer for so many schools that I took from doctors and herbologists and master herbalists, it's ridiculous. I had to make sure that I researched, and I even called one of my master healers and said, what can I do? Send me some videos. I researched it. And man, this was it right here. Said, get yourself a Castor pack. I researched and looked it up. This is actually the one she used. But she also put some cloth, and you're going to see in the videos that she put underneath as well, because that oil get thick. She put that down with this as well. But you can just use this straight on the area and rewash it. She did this every night before bed. Every night before bed. Almost 30 days. Every night before bed. This and this. They even send you instructions on how to use it. It's called a Castor oil pack. Reusable, washable, and comfort. Yeah. This is exactly, I asked my queen, do you still have your Castor pack? She went on at the bottom and broke it out of there. You don't have to use it just for fertility. You can use it for a array of things. And I'm going to play the videos right now so you can know, because I've been talking long enough. Right? So let me help you. Let's get in.
No freaking way I'm gonna put my cashmere sweater back on after plopping all this castor oil on my belly. So I obviously had to find a better alternative that's not gonna ruin my clothes. And I had no idea that there was like these castor oil packs. It's honestly really nice because I found a whole set of these packs on TikTok. So this big one is for your belly or your back. They literally come in so many other shapes and sizes. I think that this is genius, especially if you're trying to go a more holistic route for pain relief by using castor oil. Now I don't have to worry about my cashmere or my clothes getting ruined by my castor oil. I'm gonna have this whole set linked right here.
Yeah. This ain't no joke. And her fallopian tube was wide open 30 days later. Why? I'm talking about it flowed. Of course, I gave her glucose iodine after leaving.
Here this person is saying that castor oil made them pass their gallstones in sludge without pain. People ask all the time about gallstones. Can I use this for gallstones? And the answer is yes. MountSinai.org. They tell you as an alternative, you can use castor oil packs for gallstones. An actual hospital is putting in castor oil packs as a remedy. They tell you to take castor oil, put it on a castor oil pack, put it on your abdomen, and let it sit for about 30 minutes to 60 minutes with plastic wrap over it.
That's true, but you don't have to use that methodology of plastic wrap. We used that for a while, and then we ordered that because it was messy. Yes, it was.
And a heating pad over that. Do that for 3 consecutive days. That should help you to pass the gallstones. Now, it may not work for everybody. The fact that Mount Sinai is saying to use this as an alternative on their website is pretty freaking cool. This is a very powerful decongestant. It will break up anything that's congested. That includes surgical scarring, adhesions, and will help to move it along. This makes so much sense. Y'all who are having gallstone issues, look into castor oil, do your research. This is so cool. Okay.
Now, let me tell you something. Research has shown, they research a lot of stuff, and they just don't tell you about it. Okay, but research, a study in 2011, it is a confirmed laxative. Okay, well known. All right, help you go with the bowel movements if you having issues with constipation. Okay, a study was done, and what is the year this is? Oh, I only have the year. I need to get and research that. Circulation and topical use. Okay, putting right over the abdomen is traditionally known as a liver. Help detox in the liver. Huh? So people will put this right over their right side of where the liver is. Okay, you look it up, you can Google it, and just put that bad boy on there. Just put it on the whole belly and the liver on the and the castor oil on top of your belly, and boom. This is the one that we actually use. You could tell it's been used. This is a brand new, kind of a brand new bottle. But yeah, this bad boy here, she wanted to make sure she didn't get nothing too crazy. You might not be able to use it, but you can see what it looked like. Okay, cold press. Yeah, that bad boy right there did wonders. But I even did it back in the day. That was years ago. That was like over 10, 12 years ago when we was trying to have our little youngin that we have right now. Okay? So we have stories. I want to tell all her business and mine as well. Her business is my business. My business is her business. But we went through some things to make sure we could have our child. But this right here, the one that's around right now, definitely this right here helped. We didn't have to do no in vitro to get him. This one right here did the job. Okay, so I just wanted to make sure you understood, because it's a lot of people use it. If you go look it up and you do some research, you'll find out how a lot of people are using it for detoxing the body. Some people would use it for detoxing the lymphatic system. Okay, they detoxing that whole area in the abdomen area. Okay, especially the liver. The liver catches a lot of junk that we put inside of it, a lot of trash. And if it's not functioning properly, you're in trouble. I like to make sure that I keep McThistle in my body. Every time I have a cheat day, McThistle is my guy. I ain't got time to be putting going through all of that. I could just take me a little bit of this here, McThistle, 2 capsules of 175 milligrams, 2 of them. Boom, pop those in there, and the digestive enzyme. Bam! I want to make sure my liver is on point, and I take that. It don't matter if I eat or not. Cheat day. This right here, I know it's off the topic, but this is what I use for my liver detox. McThistle, okay? And I take this 3 to 4 times a week. I don't play, okay? Because I'm always trying to stress to you. Mother Nature's your gift to healthy living. Have a great peace.
Do you have questions about your health or business development and strategies? Herbis Kareem is now offering private one-on-one consultations where you can receive personalized guidance based on your situation. Visit 4cyclesoflife.com to learn more. The consultation link is in the description.